Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So here I have no change to the count, so I'll leave it as it is for now. I highlighted to you in yesterday's video that here for Ethereum it would actually fit quite well if I eventually was to move, and this could still happen, yeah, I just want to make you aware before I do it. It doesn't make a great difference though, it just means that I could move the wave 3 here. We have a slightly different count, and I would move the beginning of the A wave here to the top of the 21st of January. Then the A wave down was this low on the 24th of January, and then the B wave here. So you could see that as a different scenario. The difference would be that it allows us to drop a little bit lower. Yeah? So instead of having here just an A, B, and C, which would be over after this yellow 5-wave move, I basically would have another 1-2 setup in here. So this would be a wave 1. Let me think if that actually... Let me just sketch that out. It would just look a little different. So basically you get your 5-wave move down. Just need to see, where do I put the B? So just want to make it correct, just want to have it correct. Yeah, because then I could say we had here an ending diagonal in this wave 1, just to label that for you as well. Here probably a wave, because I had my thoughts around this. 1, 2, yeah, and then you can count this as 3, 4, and 5. So basically that you had 5 waves in this first wave. And then we get to this count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It would be more in line with Bitcoin, but for now, because but for now, because I find that, you know, the overall move here, let me just move that. This fits quite well as well. So I just leave it for now until the market forces me to change it. Just want you to know this additional or this other scenario basically. Yeah, interesting. So what have we done? So if we take a look now at where we are, we have come down like Bitcoin in 3 waves so far. This third wave here could be over and we might be in the 4th. That's basically roughly in line with Bitcoin. Just Bitcoin has another 4 and 5 afterwards. And as I said, I might add that here for Ethereum as well. And if I do that, to be honest, I will have to move down the support box a bit below 1430. The reason is because if I put the wave 5 here and the wave 3 here, it all goes down a little bit, but I will do that possibly later today. We'll see. I want to see how this unfolds further. It also depends on when we come down in a wave 5, how is the reaction going to be? Do we see an impulse or do we see just corrective upside? And then I will make that decision. So at the moment, what we see here is we've got a wave 1 down, we've got a wave 2 up, we've got a wave 3 down, and maybe now this 4 up. And this, I'm looking for further upside possibly here, but in a corrective fashion. So if I'm drawing the fibs, length of the third wave, you can see we've reached the 1595 level, 1555 level. That's a 23.6 fib. That's the first target for a 4th wave. Now the second target would be the 38.2 fib at 1572. Wouldn't be surprised to see that level, because then we could retest the channel from below. And it's also the most common retracement for a 3rd wave, which means it's a common target for the wave 4. And then we can get the 5th wave afterwards. Now I don't really have a common confirmed top in place now for this 4th wave, so I can't really give you a target for this 5th wave, but we can, let's say we assume that we have topped already, then the target would be either 1491 or 1451. 38.2 extension and 61.8 extension. These are the targets I'm looking for, and then what we can also use to calculate the length of the fourth is we think we know the wave 1 and the wave 3 peaks. So what we can do, we can draw a parallel trend line here in a trend channel to connect these, and then we go to the origin of the third wave and we add another line. So, and that gives us an estimate about where wave 4 could end. It's not a must, but it's one way of estimating a target for the fourth wave. And if you look at this actually looks like it would end at 1555. We'll see. Yeah, we'll see. But this is normally how you would draw that channel. Yeah, you go to the beginning of the wave 2 and you go to the beginning of the wave 4, because these two spots, you draw that parallel channel and then you add it to the other side here. Yeah. So let's see, there should be some kind of a reaction here to the 23.6 fib anyway. And the channel, if we break the channel, then we probably go a bit higher to 1572. So that's sort of where we are. There is not much more to add, and I'll keep you updated about Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.